Hey guys, Forex Capital here. Let's take a look and see what Algorand is doing today. So looking at the daily chart, guys, I am using, if you're new to the channel, I am using the high from 2019 to what? Around March 13 of 2020 slow. That's how I'm coming up with this bigger fibs. Then I am coming up with this other fibs from the high of around August 17 of 2019 to March 13 slow. So overall, guys, this pair is still very bullish. I mean, I mentioned we were bullish around here. We completed objective 4, and I kind of feel like I left, as you can tell, money on the table. I think I got out at about here or here, and then for some reason I did, and all of a sudden, boom, we had this massive rally. So even though this had a massive rally, this still has a lot of potential to go up as it currently sits. I mean, we basically meted objective 8, and we're having a little bit of a pullback, but it's okay. I mean, we still need to have the moving averages catching up. By the way, guys, if you guys like the video, hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to pulverize that like button, because that's the only way you're going to help out the channel reach 7 billion people. I mean, the two guys that trained me always said, make sure you teach somebody. Here I am with a YouTube channel trying to help everyone in the planet how to make shackles in the crypto market. So don't forget, hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to hit that pulverize that like button. And if you get anything useful out of the channel, send one friend to the channel, so that way they can make shackles like you're making shackles. So this pullback, it's good because now we're having the 200-day moving. Sorry, the 200-day moving average is this one. The 20-day moving average catching up. When you have the moving averages too far from each other, usually the pullbacks are nasty. So now that we're having a little sideways consolidation, I think that's gonna definitely make a big difference here. And so we can move to the next leg higher. So let's look at the weekly chart, see what the weekly chart is. So look at the weekly chart. I mean, as long as we stay above this 161% retracement, so 139, we're still bullish. I mean, RSI is definitely overdone. So if we see some sideways consolidation here, this will be great. But as long as we stay this 139, we're bullish. We might retest objective 5, but I am not too concerned even if we retest objective 5. If we retest objective 5, that'll just help the situation for the RSI to kind of reset a little bit, and also the 20-day moving average to get closer. But as it sits, this is a pretty bullish pair with a lot of potential. And you also gotta understand the market is very bullish overall. So even if the wing is strong enough, the turkeys can fly. So just keep that in mind. I'm not calling Algo a turkey, but the wing is very strong when it comes to the bullish momentum. So let's look at the monthly chart. The monthly chart looks very similar. No, that's not monthly. There you go. So the monthly chart is still pretty bullish too. I mean, we completed this inverted head and shoulders, which is great. Let's just go back to the daily. So on the daily chart, so here's kind of your 2 levels. I wouldn't do anything just yet because I either want a nice confirmation above 139 or a nice confirmation at the 121 level. Right now I kind of want to stand aside and wait for a better confirmation, because if we decide to pull back, I mean, we can get a better entry at 121. That way the 20-day moving average will be closer, and then that will help the 200-day moving average move closer, so we can move on to the next leg higher, which will be 193 again. And then once we clear that, which we'll probably we'll stretch to the 61% retracement. Here at 236, we're probably going to have a little bit of a resistance, but depending on how bullish the market is, then we can reaccommodate, recalibrate our positions. But as long as we hold 139, we should be fine, and then blast to 193, and then your big resistance will be 236. So if you guys like the video, hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to pulverize that like button. Thanks again, guys.